So here I have my EF 100 to 400 millimeter lens, and here I have my Canon R7, and the problem is this EF lens is not going to work with an RFS body. They just don't work. So how you get an EF lens on an RFS body, you get this guy. This is a control ring, and it works for the EF lens and the EOS R7 in this case. So all I have to do is take the mount out. There's two covers. Open up one side first. You see the ring? There should be a red dot on there. You're gonna open up the cover on your body here, and on the body there's a red dot as well. So you kind of match them up. Of course, I have the wrong side. So you do the right side, and you'll see there should be a red dot on there. And a red dot, you kind of match them up. And when you hear a click, you're good to go. Actually, this should be covered, but originally it should be covered. So I untight that. And then you have this part now. Again, you look for the red dot. And then there's a red dot on here too, you see that? Take that off. You kind of match them up. And you turn it till it clicks in place. Make sure it clicks in place, so that thing's gonna fall off. So that's all it takes really. Once everything is set, you're good to go. Now say you want to change your lens, because you're not always going to use your 100 to 400 or your telephoto lens, especially for close-ups. So you got to take this out. So for me, the easiest way I do it is I just keep the ring on this and just change out this part. So always make sure it's in the off position. You do this. So on there, you should see for the Canon R7, it's on the left side. The button, you hold it down and you switch out like that. Then you cover, tighten it, make sure it's tight. And then you would put the other lens on. If you don't have the lens and you just want to pack it away, you just cover it, line up the thing, close it, you're good. And that should be it. The reason I keep this attached to this lens is because it's convenient, you know, because sometimes you're out in the wild and you just want to replace things quickly. So all you gotta do is take that out, and just match them up. Again, I'll show you. That's it. Again, hit the button to release. You're good to go. Line up the red to the red. Click, make sure it's attached, and it's a quick release. This is the best deal. I mean, unless you want to get an RF lens for this lens, RF mount, sorry. This is an EF, so this is the only way you can do it. EF, and you got your control ring here, and then you got the body.